stuffed omelette. Okay. Then I think fluffy eggs are awesome with milk. Bit of salt and pepper, I think. I am putting in the mushroom. Fry that. I feel like I look ready for eggs. Let them kind of live together in the cheese as your garnish, however much you want, and chilies because I like my spice. A little tamarind chutney. Careful. Pretty. That's our entree. Ooh! This is really good.
There are days when I don't feel like having egg and I'm sick of it. There are days I sort of mix a little bit of diet mayo or something in the boiled egg with chopped pieces and have it in like a sandwich.
And on the days I'm eating, I just eat eggs because that's the way I get my protein source. So there are days eggs, which is probably poached, or an omelette with a lot of vegetables. These two are normally what I variate between for a breakfast meal.
Recipe for the omelette video.
लोगों को लगता है कि मैं ज्यादा खाती नहीं हूँ, एक्चुअली उसका ऑपोजिट है। मैं बहुत बड़ी भुक्कड़ हूँ, मैं बहुत दबा के खाती हूँ।
अरे यार ब्रेक करना ही है तो ब्रेकफास्ट करने का तरीका ब्रेक करो।
अरे मैं खुद के लिए थोड़ी ब्रेक कर रही हूँ, आपके लिए कर रही हूँ। मेरा मूड नहीं है ब्रेकफास्ट का।
ओट्स ऑमलेट, थोड़ा सा हम इसे ड्राई रोस्ट कर लेंगे ओट्स को।
वर्ल्ड्स बेस्ट विद कर्ड। यम, ये तो रिकॉर्ड ब्रेकिंग डिश है।